And here comes our first crew of the day, coming in at Black Point. Let's see how my man does. Got Wifey on the ready with the lines in the bow. And she looks nervous. She's kind of giggly getting up here. She's gonna stand up. Be careful. Cap's got an alright angle. Coming in a little hot though. He's got a brake check. Wifey sits down. I can't tell. I think she fell, but she fell back into the boat fortunately and didn't fall forward. And that's good luck for her, but she's all smiles as she comes up. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And if you can't tell, today we are visiting Black Point. So Wifey gets off the boat, still all smiles. She's just counting her blessings. She fell backwards and not forwards on this one, and we didn't have our first swimmer of the day. And our crew's struggling to get this one onto the trailer. They're trying to do the walk-up method versus the drive-on method, which can sometimes get a little complex. Especially when you're dealing with currents and wind, and down here we usually do have a pretty decent current. So they're trying to get the stern lined up over the trailer, so my man up here at the front can try and drag it across the front. And they kind of have it lined up. I can tell by the way the boat's leaning that it's still just not quite there. So our lady's kind of got one foot hanging off the back side here. It's like she's debating on trying to kick it over. I can tell she's, there we go. She's going to try and kick it, the stern over to where it's over the trailer. Up, 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 up. She's going down. Her daughter comes in for the save, and when she does, the feet come off the boat. But her daughter has her brought up. That was a close call. I thought we were going to have a swimmer, but here we go with the replay. Today it is brought to you by the Drainplug Mafia Tumbler. They're available on the Broncos Guru Facebook shop. Go check it out over there. But here we can see daughter gets the save of the day. And Mama's going to owe her thanks here because she definitely saved her mom from taking a swim. So Mom's rubbing the back just a little bit. Daughter and her are talking it out. But we've still got to get this boat on the trailer and try and get this thing out of here. So our guy's working still on the boat. I don't even know if he saw the whole ordeal. He was just trying to get it on the trailer, and he might have missed exactly what happened there. So we get the lines tossed into the boat. And Papa's like, hey, come on, let's go ahead and try and get this thing pulled out. He asks Mama to go ahead and get into the car, and she's going to be the one who's going to try and get us out of here today. So we're ready for the first attempt on the pullout, at least. And it looks like it could be an uneventful one. No, my man doesn't like something about it. It looks pretty centered to me. I mean, he might be a hair off, but to be honest, with the type of boat this is, a deck boat, it doesn't have to be perfect. And you want it as close to perfect as you can so it'll ride right on the trailer. But I don't see anything wrong enough here to try and reset this, but it looks like he's telling her to back it back down anyway. So we're going to back it down one more time and try and reset this. Let me know in the comments below, though. Would you have reset this? Like I said, maybe he saw something up close I didn't see. But from what I saw, it looked pretty solid. So he's trying to push it just a little bit over. All right, we're floating again. He's telling her to go, but there's a truck in the way, and she's like, bro, I can't go anywhere. And, I mean, it looks about the same. He still looks like he doesn't like it. He's scratching his head over it, so he definitely doesn't like it. He can't figure something out, and from here I can't figure out what he's trying to figure out either because it looks just fine to me. But he's backing it down again. We've got the perfectionist on the ramp. Now normally this wouldn't bother me so much, but where it bothers me is, bro, you guys have been on this ramp for like 10 minutes now and clogging it up, and you could tell by all the traffic coming by, it's a busy day here at Black Point, and there are people waiting to use these ramps.
Hope you're filming that.
And he's coming back out one more time. And he looks like he's a hair over, but it looks worse than it did the first 2 times he did it to me. Because now we've got the right side looks a little higher than the left, but wifey's getting out. Looks like she's giving up, like, I'm done. If you want to do it again, bro, do it yourself. But again, I don't see anything that looks drastically wrong enough to even consider retrying to launch this. Looks like we're all getting in the truck, so we're going to call it done. And finally, yes, it looks like they're going to let it be after Mama almost falls in. Several attempts to try and get it right on the trailer. We're going to get it out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.